Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Max on Vizio TV step by step clearly. To activate Max on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your television. Make sure your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Vizio remote. Navigate to the apps section using the arrow keys on your remote. Look for the Max app in the list of available applications. If you don't see the Max app, select the Featured or All Apps section. Once you locate the Max app, highlight it and press the OK button on your remote. Select the Install or Download option to begin the installation process. Wait for the Max app to finish downloading. Once installed, open the Max app by selecting it from the Apps section. You will see a welcome screen that prompts you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. After signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. To do this, note the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, visit the activation website provided. Enter the activation code and follow any additional instructions on the website. Once activated, return to your Vizio TV. You should now have full access to Max. Browse and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the Max app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.